Index funds are supposed to be the smart way to invest, right? They're low cost, diversified, set it and forget it.
But here's the truth. Most index fund investors aren't really investing. They're hiding.
You might call it a plan, but it's often just a way to avoid thinking about what that money is actually for.
But then when life changes, the market dips, everything starts to feel uncertain again.
So if you want to build real wealth, the kind that gives you freedom, you have to go beyond the fund itself and align your investments with your life. Hi, I'm Erin. This is Maximilian. We're the founders of Truly Aligned, where we help you align your wealth with your life so that every financial decision supports what actually matters to you.
And today we're breaking down the hidden risk of set it and forget it investing and why a truly aligned portfolio is more than just about picking an index fund.
So we'll be covering 3 different things: why the index fund mindset can hold you back, the emotional traps that most investors fall into, and how to build a portfolio that actually supports your goals, not just the market's average.
Make sure you stay till the end. We are revealing the real reason most investors fail, even when they do everything right. Number 1, index fund illusion. Index funds have become the gold standard for smart investing, and in many ways they are. They offer diversification, low cost, and broad exposure to the market.
So the problem here isn't really the fund themselves. It's how people use them. Too many investors think that owning the S&P 500 is a strategy, but really it's just a starting point.
And then they stop paying attention to the rest of their financial plan. Risk, taxes, cash flow, what the money's actually supposed to do.
So what might have started out as a smart decision turns into a lazy one. It's like getting on a train without really checking where you're going. You're moving, but maybe you're not necessarily going towards your destination.
And that's what we see all the time. People chasing the illusion of progress, but losing sight of their purpose. Number 2, the emotional trap. The biggest risk for index fund investors isn't the market, it's their own behavior.
So when the volatility of the market hits, your emotions take over. You panic, you sell low, and you buy back high.
But then when things calm down, you convince yourselves that you're being disciplined, when in reality, you're reacting. You're not actually planning.
So this is when your portfolio becomes emotional. It's not intentional. The truth is that discipline and alignment matter way more than diversification alone.
Because if your investments aren't tied to your goals or values, every market dip feels like a failure instead of just a temporary fluctuation in your plan.
So that's why at Truly Aligned, we focus on alignment, connecting your strategy to your purpose so that every dollar in your portfolio has a clear job that matters to you.
When your investments reflect your values, the market's ups and downs stop feeling like chaos. They start feeling like part of your financial plan and story. Number 3, building an aligned portfolio. A truly aligned portfolio isn't just about diversification. It's intentional. It's built around your life stages, your tax situation, your financial goals, your values, and things you care about.
When so many investors choose to stop at cheap or easy, they forget that intentional doesn't have to mean complicated. It just means personal.
From our experience, once you connect your money to your purpose, everything changes. Your investments stop feeling like numbers on a screen. They start feeling like a roadmap to your financial freedom.
So in this sense, it's not even about beating the market. It's about building wealth that really truly supports your life. So that might mean blending in index funds with active strategies, sustainable investments, or tax efficient accounts that truly reflect your bigger picture.
Because when your portfolio is built around you, you stop comparing yourself. You stop second guessing. You start living a truly aligned life.
And that's what we help our clients do at Truly Aligned. We help them create portfolios designed to help them work towards freedom, flexibility, confidence, not just average market returns.
So yes, index funds are an extremely powerful tool, but tools don't build your wealth. You do through strategies behind them.
So investing without alignment is like driving without a destination. You might end up somewhere, but is it necessarily where you want to be? Is it where you want to go?
When your life reflects your goals, investing stops being stressful and starts feeling purposeful and fulfilling.
Because wealth at its very best isn't just about growth. It's about alignment, knowing that your money is working in harmony with the life that you want. So if you're ready to make sure that your portfolio actually reflects your goals, not just the market, you can schedule a free portfolio review with us at Truly Aligned. The link is down below in the description.
We'll help you see where your investments are aligned and where they might be holding you back.
Because your financial freedom isn't just about what you invest in, it's about why you invest in it. Until the next time, stay aligned.